Hi, I'm Chris from One Call, and I'd like to talk to you about Jura automatic coffee machines, a Swiss-made automatic coffee machine built for quality, versatility, and ease of use. These machines provide more choices in coffee volume and coffee strength than any other models. Some of the common features on these Jura models are a rotary switch for easy, precise operation. Each model comes with a variable brewing unit for individual coffee strengths and preparation of up to 2 cups in just one brewing operation. You can brew from half a cup to 16 ounces of coffee at one time. Another feature is the height adjustable coffee spout to accommodate the cup of your choice, and a cappuccino frother. The Jura line features programmable settings that include the amount of water, brewing temperature levels, and coffee strength levels. These models also have a multi-level, professional, solid stainless steel conical burr grinder for consistent grind. You can also use your pre-ground coffee in these machines. For easy maintenance, these models feature integrated cleaning, rinsing, and descaling. The ENA 5 features a space-saving design of 9.5 inches wide, and you can brew coffee through one of 2 spouts. The Impressa J6 features active bean monitoring to make sure there's always enough coffee beans available. The Impressa S9 features a one-touch function for making a cappuccino or latte macchiato. I would recommend any of these Jura models for those of you that love a great cup of coffee. This is Chris from One Call. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get an alert each time we add new videos. If you'd like to learn more about the Jura automatic coffee machines, please visit our website at onecall.com or give us a call at 1-877-457-7309. We like to talk to our customers. Thanks for watching.